Welcome to the installation video for the 486 U-shaped vanity pullout. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a wrench, a rubber mallet, an awl, a pencil, tape measure, scissors, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a drawer box, Bloom's soft close slides, side brackets, triggers, back brackets, feet, a waste bin, dividers, divider clips, acrylic bins, a wood box, number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws, number 8 32 flathead screws with lock nuts. Align the front slide holes to the designated front feet holes. Secure using the number 8 32 flathead screws and lock nuts. Then align the back slide holes with the back feet holes. Note how the feet are level with the top of the slide. Repeat with the other slide. Next, measure the cabinet opening and mark the center line. For a face frame cabinet such as ours, take the bottom mount template and cut along the second line at the front. Cut or fold along the other edges if needed to fit inside the cabinet. Align with the center line and place along the back of the face frame. Tape to secure. Use an awl and mallet to mark the center marks near each corner. Remove the template. Pre-drill the awl marks using the 3/32 inch bit. Set the slide assembly over the pre-drilled holes and attach using the number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws. Repeat with the other slide. Now turn the drawer box upside down and place the triggers against the front and side walls. Secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Place the drawer box onto the slide assembly and push back until it engages with the slides. Insert the divider clips into the desired pre-drilled holes and place the wooden dividers over the clips. Set the container inside the wood box. Align the 2 side mount bracket holes to the front slide holes. Assemble using the number 8 32 flathead screws and lock nuts. Join the back bracket to the back of the slide. Repeat with the other slide. The side mount bracket can be flipped for a lower shelf height. Note the difference between the two methods. Next, measure and mark the desired height of the upper drawer box. Transfer that value to the other side wall. Cut the side mount template along the dotted lines. Line it up to the marked height and place along the back of the face frame. Tape to secure. Mark the 3 screw locations and then remove the template. Pre-drill using the 3/32 inch bit. Align the side mount bracket to the pre-drilled holes and attach using the number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws. Repeat on the other side. There is a basic calculation to ensure your upper level drawer box has enough space to be pulled out. First, measure the inside cabinet width in inches and subtract 25. Then divide that number by 2. Now place the slide assembly on top of the side mount bracket and make sure it is at least that value from the side wall. Insert the number 8 32 flathead screws and secure with the lock nuts. Attach the back bracket to the back wall using the number 8 by 5/8 inch truss head screws. Use the 2 inside upper holes in the back bracket and repeat. The triggers in the upper shelf install the same as the lower shelf. Place against the front and side walls and secure using the number 6 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. Place the drawer box onto the slides and push back until it engages. Insert the divider clips into the desired pre-drilled holes and place the wooden dividers over the clips. Drop in the acrylic bins. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.